Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add in a video transition before and after your videos. So I'm just going to select this beautiful video and I am going to go back to the library here, and I'm going to add a black stock video in the beginning. You can also add in a white stock video, but I personally think it's better if it's a black stock video. And then you're going to just simply go to transitions here and you're going to select the one that you want. There's a lot of options you can choose from. Maybe, let's see, maybe the, trying to like find one. Maybe like this dissolve one. Add it to there and just make it a little bit shorter. And it kind of shows sometimes, but because it's like dissolving, it should be like mixed with other videos. So I suggest using something else. Maybe like this inhale one, you can kind of see it. Maybe this pull-in one, don't know if you can. Maybe make the video transition a little bit longer. I have to make this a little bit longer though. There you go. Now you can see it. And also like this one, just make it a little bit longer so you can make the transition longer. And that's how you can add in a video transition before and after your video ends. Hopefully this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!